Hey, how's it going? Jason here, and today we're going to be working on this tree behind me. It's been about 2 years since my trees were stolen, and I kind of took a 2-year hiatus from working on trees, as you guys probably noticed. And definitely when something like that happens, you lose a little bit of motivation for creating trees. So I'm trying to get back into the groove of it. So today I've got this one. So the last 2 years I've been cultivating some of my trees, letting them grow. I've done some basic cutting on it, just some repair work, just so they can get to the point where I can actually wire them and get them into a finished state. I'm going to start trying to rebuild my collection of trees and sort of the ones that I really like. So this tree I've had for a while. I've let this part grow just because I wanted to cascade it down. It's not going to be the same form as the previous one. For one, it's going the opposite way as the other one was going this way. This one's going to be going this way. And it might not have the same kind of, that sort of crescent kind of look that the other one had. And with respect to the trees, I was not able to recover any of them. So I'm going to start working on some of these new ones and try to rebuild the collection, starting with, I think, this one. just finished the tree, and I hope this is a fitting replacement for it. It's the same kind of Cascade Juniper Bonsai. It kind of comes down like this. I guess right around here, it's if I wanted to sort of keep that crescent look that I had in the previous tree, I could get rid of this right here, this bottom branch right here. What do you guys think? Should I get rid of this one right here? And then it'd almost look like a mirror image of it. On this one, it has that same branch that we discussed on that other tree, except this one I definitely have to keep, because in order for it to keep the continuity of this tree, I got to keep this side over here. So let me know in the comments if you think I should keep this pad layer or get rid of it. So this is 1 down, 19 more to go to replace the trees that were stolen. So I think this is a good start. I'm going to put this in the garden, and then we'll give it some water. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I haven't done the time-lapse video in a while on the styling. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, as always, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you'd like to see some more.